Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Final Cut Pro for studio grade color correction, full guide step by step clearly. First, launch Final Cut Pro on your Mac. Create a new project by selecting the File menu and choosing New Project. Set your desired resolution and frame rate for the project. Import your video clips by going to the File menu and selecting Import Media. Navigate to the folder containing your footage, then click Import Selected. Once your clips are in the timeline, select the one you want to color correct. Open the Color Inspector by clicking on the Color button in the top right corner. Make sure to set your monitor to the correct color profile for accurate results. Switch to the color board by selecting it from the Color Inspector. Begin with the exposure section to adjust the highlights, midtones, and shadows. Use the saturation section to enhance or reduce the intensity of the colors. Finally, navigate to the color section to adjust specific color hues. To fine-tune your adjustments, use the color wheels for precise control. You can also utilize the color curves for more advanced corrections. Add control points to the curves to target specific color ranges. For skin tones, use the color picker to isolate and adjust those colors. Once you're pleased with the adjustments, play back the clip for a final review. If needed, repeat the steps to refine your corrections. Finally, export your project by selecting File and then Export. Choose your desired format and settings, and click Next to finalize your export. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.